Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll walk you through how to make creamy beef mushroom from scratch, step by step, rich and comforting just the way it should be. Cooking techniques for maximum flavor. Layering flavors is what turns good beef mushroom into great beef mushroom. Sear the beef. Heat oil in a heavy skillet over medium-high. Brown the beef in batches, crowding the pan steams it instead of searing. Set aside once golden. Sauté the mushrooms. In the same pan, cook the mushrooms until they release their liquid and turn golden. This deepens their umami flavor. Deglaze the pan. Add a splash of broth or wine, scraping up the browned bits. This adds complexity to the sauce. Don't rush this step. Browning builds the foundation for a richer dish. Perfecting the creamy sauce. The sauce should coat the back of a spoon without feeling heavy or greasy. Thicken gradually. Sprinkle flour over the cooked mushrooms and stir for a minute to cook off the raw taste. Slowly whisk in broth to avoid lumps. Add cream carefully. Pour in heavy cream off the heat to prevent curdling. Return to a gentle simmer. Boiling can break the sauce. Balanced seasoning. Finish with a pinch of black pepper and a squeeze of lemon if the sauce tastes flat. Stir the beef back in just before serving to keep it tender. Let it rest for a couple of minutes so the sauce clings perfectly to every piece. Serving suggestions and pairings. Creamy beef mushroom is the kind of dish that shines with the right accompaniments. Whether you're keeping it simple with crusty bread or elevating the meal with a carefully chosen wine, the right pairings can turn dinner into an experience. Here's how to make the most of every bite. Ideal side dishes. The rich sauce in creamy beef mushroom begs to be soaked up or balanced with something hearty or fresh. Here are the best options to consider. Mashed potatoes. Silky smooth or slightly chunky, they're the ultimate comfort pairing. The buttery flavor makes the beef and mushrooms pop. Rice or egg noodles. Neutral bases let the sauce take center stage. Jasmine rice adds a hint of fragrance, while wide noodles hold onto the sauce. Crusty bread. A warm baguette or sourdough is perfect for swiping up every last drop of cream. Roasted vegetables. Brussels sprouts, carrots, or asparagus add a crisp contrast to the dish's richness. For a lighter option, a simple green salad with a tangy vinaigrette cuts through the creaminess without overpowering the flavors. Wine and beverage pairings. The right drink enhances the dish, balancing its richness or adding a refreshing counterpoint. Full-bodied reds. A Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot complements beef's depth, while the wine's tannins cut through the cream. Crisp whites. Chardonnay, lightly oaked, or Pinot Grigio brighten the dish with acidity, keeping each bite lively. Dark beer. A malty stout or porter mirrors the dish's earthiness, making each sip and forkful harmonize. If you're skipping alcohol, try sparkling water with lemon or iced tea with a touch of honey. The key is balancing richness with something refreshing. Tips for storing and reheating. Leftover creamy beef mushroom can taste just as good as the first serving, if you store and reheat it the right way. These tips will keep the flavors rich and the texture velvety, so nothing goes to waste. Refrigeration and freezing. To keep leftovers fresh, cool the dish properly before storing. For refrigeration, let the dish cool to room temperature, but no longer than 2 hours to avoid bacteria growth. Transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. The sauce may thicken when cold. A splash of broth fixes this when reheating. For freezing. Creamy dishes can sometimes separate when frozen, but this recipe holds up well. Store in a freezer-safe container, leave some space for expansion, and freeze for up to 2 months. Thaw overnight in the fridge before reheating. Pro tip. For easier portioning, freeze individual servings in small containers or freezer bags. Reheating without compromising quality. The wrong reheating method can turn creamy beef mushroom into a grainy or greasy mess. Stick to gentle heat and patience. Stovetop method. Best for texture. Warm a bit of broth or cream in a pan over low heat. Add leftovers, stirring slowly until warmed through. Avoid boiling, it can break the sauce. Oven method. Good for larger portions. Place leftovers in an oven-safe dish, cover with foil, and heat at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15-20 minutes, stirring halfway. Add a splash of liquid if needed. Microwave shortcut. Use carefully, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring between each, to prevent hot spots. Cover with a damp paper towel to trap steam and retain moisture. For extra creaminess, stir in a small spoonful of fresh cream or butter just before serving. It revives the sauce like magic. Whether you're saving leftovers for lunch or meal prepping, these steps keep your creamy beef mushroom tasting as indulgent as day one. Creamy beef mushroom is more than just a meal, it's comfort on a plate. The tender beef, earthy mushrooms, and velvety sauce come together in a dish that's both satisfying and versatile. Whether you serve it over mashed potatoes, noodles, or with a side of crusty bread, it never fails to impress. Now it's your turn. Try the recipe and make it your own. Swap the mushrooms, tweak the herbs, or add a splash of wine for extra depth. Then tell us, what's your twist on this classic? Share your version in the comments or tag us in your cook snaps. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.